Italian anchovies in a BBQ sauce. Sounds wrong. Tastes legendary. Mediterranean sauce. This is Cucina Italiana meets American BBQ. Balcony grill. Let's build it. Slice one large white onion. Heat extra virgin olive oil in a saucepan. Add the onion and two anchovy fillets. Low heat. The anchovies must dissolve completely into the oil. Watch them disappear. When the onion turns translucent, the base is ready. Now add 20 grams of chopped dried peppers, 3 teaspoons of capers, and a drizzle of oil to a bowl. Mix everything together. Add to our preparation. Mix well. Let the flavors combine for 2 to 3 minutes. The peppers give body, the capers give bite. But the real transformation starts now. Pour in 250 grams of dense tomato passata. Squeeze the juice of one full lemon. Grate the lemon zest directly in. Add the Mediterranean rub and 2 teaspoons of honey. 9 ingredients in one pan. Sweetness, acid, umami, salt, heat, body. That is the Italian method. Balance through contrast. Low heat, 30 minutes minimum, no shortcuts. The sauce must reduce until thick and glossy. You will know it is ready when the spoon leaves a clean trail on the bottom. Now, what did I skip? You have 2 options. Rustic, leave the sauce as it is. Chunks of pepper, visible capers. Real texture or velvet. Use an immersion blender. 30 seconds. The sauce becomes a perfect. The cut decides the finish. Brush the sauce on chicken in the last 10 minutes of cooking. 3 thin layers. Let each one set before the next. The honey caramelizes. The lemon cuts the fat. The anchovies disappear into pure umami. Nobody will guess the secret. One more thing. 3 variations that change this sauce completely. Variation 1. Replace the onion with shallot. More delicate, more refined. Variation 2. Swap dried peppers for sun-dried tomatoes in oil. Sweeter, less heat. Variation 3. Replace honey with fig jam. This is the gourmet version. The sweetness is deeper, darker, same method, different personality. Pick one and test it. This is what happens when Italian ingredients meet an American grill. On a balcony, Mediterranean sauce. Drop a comment. Tell me which variation you would try first. And subscribe if you want more Italian method BBQ from this balcony.